Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Technology Business Services. Today we're going to be looking at how you can check your fuser belt in a Versant 80 press. Now you may want to do this if you've got marks on your prints that don't look like a drum or a developer or something else and you think it might be the fuser itself. So I'm going to show you how you can open up the fuser and have a look to see if it is a problem. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open up the door of the machine, and if you've seen our second BTR video, it's a similar process to get into the actual area you want. You can open up the main transfer assembly drawer. Again, we're going to pop open the drawer so it extends fully, and then we've got access to the area we need. We will need to take off the same panel we took off for the second BTR, so that's the 3 screws here. Sorry, 4 screws. And then we've got access to the flywheel, which will need to come out again. So that's the screw on the top plate here. Plastic cover pops off. And then the screw to the flywheel itself. Again, we want to make sure that it's in the upright position, which you can see with this line here, and then it lifts out. Then we can take this cover off here, which is a screw on the front. And then that gives us access to the 2 screws we need to lift off the cover. The first screw is here, just in here. The other screw is at the back and it's just here. So I'll do this one first. And then we do this one on this side. And then it is as simple as lifting the cover open, and it's on hinges, so you haven't got to worry about taking it off. And in here, this is the fuser belt assembly. Normally you would see lines on the fuser which would indicate an issue with the belt itself, and if you need to turn that around to see it, there's a cog here. It is a little bit stiff, so be careful when you move it around, but you can get your thumb in and you can roll the fuser rollers around so that you can see if there are any dinks or any lines or any imperfections in the belt itself, which could then lead to it transferring onto the prints. So that's another little example of what you can do, and you can do yourself, looking at the machine and checking things that are maybe have gone bad or need to be addressed. To put that back together, it's literally as simple as closing the lid, doing the screws back together, putting it all back together and pushing the drawer back in. And if you need any more information or you want any more parts or advice, you can visit our website or phone the number below.